Hi, my name is Nurhasmidar Amila Hanapi. In this video, I'm going to present my final year project, which is Benthic Infaunal community structure in Merchant Lagoon. For introduction, basically community structure is a group of species that lives together at the same place. The changes of sediment quality due to human-induced disturbance or natural can alter the community structure. For problem statement, jetty construction change topographic characteristics that affect tidal response and sediment structure in estuary area, which is subjected to extensive change in environmental conditions, and mangrove area, which is disturbance causes to nutrient influx and addition to organic matter. This study conducted to provide new data for future conservation, thus reducing ecological disturbance in future. The objective of this study is to determine community structure of Benthic Infaunal along Merchant Lagoon and to describe relationship between microbenthos and sediment characteristic. There's literature review on benthos community, which is understanding the trophic level between species provide a relationship among them that can determine the structure of benthic community, and highest abundance of benthos as it highly tolerant to disturbance can be the best indicator. On anthropogeny affect distribution of benthos, which is distribution pattern change caused by adaptation to new environmental conditions, and disturbance increased diversity, but it was capable of some species only. While benthos and sediment analysis stated different partial distribution of benthos associated with sediment structure, recent study found increase in particle size with reduced abundance and biomass, which is because sediment contain less organic matter. For methodology, sampling was carried out on October 2019 at Merchant Lagoon with 3 stations. 3 replicates were taken in each station. Coordinate and physico-chemical parameter was recorded. This is how sampling process was done using one Wingate sampler. Laboratory work was done with total organic matter, particle size analysis and biomass analysis, as well as laboratory analysis and data analysis. For statistical analysis, pair sample t-test and Kruskal-Wallis H-test was used. Result and discussion. For abundance and class composition, the results show gastropoda account as most dominant that contributes of overall microbenthos. The presence of gastropod might caused by ecological change, while the lesson of some other species might of they not tolerate to environmental changes. This indicates that gastropoda might under environmental stress such as anthropogeny and natural. In terms of particle size analysis, medium sand was the highest, followed by coarse sand, fine sand and silt. Gastropoda usually found in fine sand, but in this study found out medium sand was characterized by abundant gastropoda. Gastropoda might tolerate with environmental conditions in order to survive. Sediment grain size between stations were significantly different. The difference has influenced the occurrence of microbenthos. Variance in sediment properties define microbenthos present, which it might relate to hydrodynamic stress. For total organic matter, there was decreasing pattern of organic content from station 1 to station 3, while the results show low abundance in station 2, followed by station 1, and the highest abundance belongs to station 3. The lower of organic content, the less the occurrence of microbenthos. Next, diversity index. Kruskal-Wallis test was performed and there was no significant difference between stations. Community structure of Merchant Lagoon were categorized as persistent and variable, even though the results show some species was not present in each station. For biomass analysis, Kruskal-Wallis test shows significant difference between biomass and class, while no significant difference between biomass and abundance. This indicates there was station high in abundance, but the biomass was incompatible to abundance. Uncorrelated between biomass and abundance indicates vary in species size might because of the recovery process. In conclusion, 124 individuals were recorded and gastropoda dominate overall community, followed by bivalve, polychaete, and malacostraca. This study found out that Merchant Lagoon was dominated by gastropoda, and composition in this area was highly influenced by sediment particle distribution. That's all from me. Thank you.